What if I told you some of the most powerful spy gadgets on Earth are sitting on Amazon right now, and anyone can buy them with a single click? From AI devices that can see through walls to gadgets that silently track, detect, and monitor everything around you, these 10 inventions feel so advanced, they honestly shouldn't be legal. Cuzimo Google Nest Mini. Here's a gadget that might already be sitting in your home right now. The Google Nest Mini looks like a harmless smart speaker, but its microphone is surprisingly powerful. It can pick up conversations from across a room, even with background noise like a TV playing. That's what makes this device both incredibly useful and a little unsettling. Designed to hear voice commands from a distance, it's always listening for its wake word, raising interesting questions about privacy in the modern smart home. At around $19, it's one of the cheapest gadgets on this list, but possibly one of the most eye-opening. AI Dashcam with driver monitoring. What if your car had an AI co-pilot that never blinked, never got tired, and watched the driver instead of the road? That's exactly what an AI dashcam with driver monitoring does. Using advanced facial recognition and behavior analysis, it tracks eye movement, head position, and signs of fatigue in real time. If it detects drowsiness, distraction, or even phone use while driving, it instantly sounds an alert before a mistake turns into an accident. The scary part? It's analyzing your every move behind the wheel. For around $85, this gadget feels less like a dash cam and more like a personal driving surveillance system. Tile Ultra Precision Finder. Losing your keys is annoying. Losing your wallet while traveling is a nightmare. But the Tile Ultra Precision Finder takes tracking to a level that feels almost unreal. This tiny device uses ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to a lost item with an on-screen arrow and pinpoint accuracy down to just a few inches. But that's only the beginning. Its AI-powered system learns where your belongings usually are and can alert you when something ends up somewhere unusual. Even crazier, millions of phones in the Tile network can anonymously help locate your lost item. At around $58, this little tracker feels like having a private detective attached to your valuables 24/7. FLIR 1 Pro Thermal Camera. Ever wondered what the world looks like when you can actually see heat? The FLIR 1 Pro Thermal Camera transforms an ordinary smartphone into a powerful thermal imaging tool that feels straight out of a military movie. Simply attach it to your phone, and suddenly, hidden heat signatures become visible in real time. You can spot heat leaking through walls, detect overloaded electronics, and even see a person's thermal outline in complete darkness. The AI-enhanced imaging combines thermal data with a normal camera view, creating incredibly detailed results. At around $393, it's not cheap, but once you see the invisible world around you, it's hard to look at reality the same way again. Spy Pen Camera. Imagine borrowing a pen from someone's desk and never realizing it's secretly recording everything around you. Sounds like a Hollywood spy movie, right? But this is a real gadget you can buy right now. The Spy Pen camera looks exactly like an ordinary ballpoint pen, yet hidden inside is an HD camera with AI-powered motion detection. The moment someone enters the room, It automatically starts recording without flashing lights, warning sounds, or anything that gives it away. That's the scary part. Nobody suspects a pen. It can capture faces, conversations, and important moments while blending in with everyday office items. At around $36, this tiny device proves that in 2026, some of the most powerful surveillance tools are hiding in plain sight. Walabot home wall radar sensor. What if you could detect someone on the other side of a wall without using a camera at all? That sounds impossible, but the Walabot home wall radar sensor does exactly that. Using advanced radar technology and AI-powered motion analysis, this device can sense movement, breathing patterns, and even falls through drywall and standard interior walls. No cameras, no video feed, just pure radar intelligence. Originally designed for elder care and home safety, it can instantly alert you if something unusual happens in another room. That means privacy stays protected while awareness stays high. At around $199, this gadget feels less like a smart home device and more like technology borrowed from the future. BrickHouse Security GPS Tracker. What if a device smaller than a matchbox could track a vehicle's every move for weeks without anyone noticing? That's exactly what the BrickHouse Security GPS Tracker brings to the table. This tiny magnetic gadget can attach to almost any metal surface and provide real-time location updates straight to your phone. But here's where it gets crazy. Its AI-powered system learns travel patterns, detects unusual routes, and instantly alerts you when a vehicle enters or leaves specific areas. Whether it's protecting a car, tracking valuable equipment, or monitoring a fleet, this little tracker delivers serious surveillance power. At around $13, it's surprisingly affordable for technology that feels straight out of a spy thriller. MECO Spy Hidden Camera Detector. Ever checked into a hotel room or Airbnb and wondered if a hidden camera might be watching? The MECO Spy Hidden Camera Detector is designed for exactly that nightmare scenario. This pocket-sized gadget scans for wireless camera signals and uses a special lens detection system to reveal tiny hidden cameras that are nearly impossible to spot with the naked eye. What makes it even more impressive is its AI-assisted signal filtering, which helps separate real surveillance devices from everyday electronics like phones and Wi-Fi routers. In just a few minutes, you can sweep an entire room and know whether your privacy is truly protected. It's the kind of gadget you hope you never need, but will be glad to have. HIKMICRO Thermal Imaging Camera. What if you could walk through complete darkness and still see exactly where people, animals, or heat sources are hiding? The HIKMICRO Thermal Imaging Camera makes that possible. Instead of relying on light, it detects heat signatures and turns them into a live image on the screen. That means smoke, darkness, and poor visibility become far less of a problem. The built-in AI automatically highlights the hottest objects and tracks movement in real time, making it feel like something straight out of a military operation. Whether for security, search and rescue, or pure curiosity, this gadget reveals a hidden world most people never get to see. Signal Jammer Detector RF Analyzer. Imagine discovering that someone nearby is secretly blocking GPS signals, disrupting phone connections, or running a fake Wi-Fi network designed to steal data. Sounds like a scene from a spy thriller, But that's exactly what the Signal Jammer Detector RF Analyzer is built to uncover. This powerful device scans the air around you, analyzing wireless signals in real time and using AI to identify suspicious activity instantly. It can detect rogue networks, signal jammers, and other hidden electronic threats before they become a problem. Used by security professionals and investigators, this gadget doesn't spy on others. It helps you know when someone might be spying on you. And there you have it. 10 AI spy gadgets that prove the future of surveillance is already here. From devices that can see heat and detect movement through walls, to trackers and sensors that never seem to miss a thing, these gadgets are both fascinating and a little terrifying. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because the next gadget on Tech Fusion might be even crazier. See you in the next one.